Today, let me introduce to you the 6-axis robot laser welding machine of our company, Deeping Laser. First of all, it consists of two parts. The first part is our robot, and the second part is our laser control system. The robot has 6 axes. 1 axis, 2nd axis, 3rd axis, the 4th axis, the 5th axis, 6th axis, and each axis is composed of different motors to achieve its operation. In addition to the axis, there are wire feeders, welding heads, control boxes that control the entire machine's operation. The teach pendant is like the brain of the machine, which controls the entire machine's running track. The second part is the laser output section, which is composed of a laser, a chiller, and a control system. There are several parameters to note here. The first is the robot arm reach, which includes 1.4 meters, 1.45 meters, 1.5 meters, 1.7 meters, and 2 meters. The arm reach refers to the machine's arm and how far it can extend to reach the range. Regarding the selection of laser power, we have different products and materials, so we can customize machines with different power. Currently, Deeping Laser has 1 kilowatt, 1500 watts, 2 kilowatts, 3 kilowatts, 4 kilowatts, and 6 kilowatts machines for customers to choose from. Different powers are suitable for different materials of different thicknesses. For example, when welding with it is usually used to weld thick stainless steel, carbon steel, galvanized sheet, and other different materials, which require different powers for welding. Regarding how to choose power, you can refer to our process parameter table. The higher the power, the faster the welding speed. What industries is this mainly suitable for? It is mainly suitable for laser welding in industries such as new energy, automobile parts, hardware furniture, electronic appliances, sheet metal housings, etc. It is mainly suitable for products that require high precision. How does this machine operate? We need to start up the machine. First, we need to turn on the power and then turn on the power switch. The teach pendant will scan the existing product, confirm that the trajectory is fine, and then turn on the laser for welding. Now check the quality of the weld. What are the benefits of this robot for us? Yang pertama, ia dapat menemat waktu pemulasan. It does not require wire feeding for some products that require high precision and have few seams. It can work continuously for 24 hours. And multiple machines require only one technician to manage, effectively improving the efficiency of the entire workshop. It reduces the labor intensity of operators, especially for some larger products or multi-position welding. It greatly improves its efficiency. Its mechanical arm can rotate 360 degrees, which is unparalleled by other welding equipment. Laser welding has a small spot quality, and the welded joints are basically crack-free, with excellent results. It does not require polishing, and the appearance is very beautiful. Terima kasih atas minat Anda. Semoga Anda menikmatinya dan semoga hari Anda menyenangkan. Terima kasih.